I joined a HCL tech company as a cloud engineer. This is a very new experience to me. I feel great. Workplace is good. Co-workers are good. Right. Everything is fine. The training experience that was provided by PaperLive, it was very enriching and it was very helpful also. Case studies that were taught to me and the capstone projects that I underwent, that gave me practical hands-on experience, and the tools that we use like AWS, Docker, concepts that were explained to me about them were very simple. I didn't had much experience how interviews are. I was a bit nervous. I was a bit struggling. I was stuck. I had the points in my head, find it difficult to explain. I faced several mock interviews, helped me gain confidence. It improved my speaking abilities and communicating abilities. After every mock interview, I also used to get reports about my performance. I get to know that where my mistakes lied. I analyzed myself and then I improved in those areas. Actually, I was given opportunities of 25 companies, cleared the GD for 11 companies. Gradually, I was getting better each and every time. But I should be grateful that training sessions and those mock interview trainings helped me a lot.
Any help you need from PaperLive Learning, we are always here.